this is crazy. So, in the last part of the plush collection, we ended off here. There's nothing here, and I'll show you why in a second. This is every Battle Cats character I have. Well, not in the Battle Cats actual form, just like the stuffed animal versions. So they're not like actual Battle Cats. Then all the ones that I left in the zoo are ones that I was either wrong about or were never supposed to be in the game. So first of all, the Mickey Mouse, this was not in the game. I was wrong. So some of them you might not see because I was wrong. No, trust me, there will be billions of parts. But I have 26 minutes because I just uploaded a whole bunch of videos and got rid of all those since I uploaded them. I don't have to, once I upload them, I can delete them and they'll still be on YouTube. They just won't take up my space on the camera. So, yeah, here we go, the Battle Cats collection. Alright, so first up, right here, this one, you might think he's a Doge, but no, he's not. Actually, I don't know the other name, so I'm just going to say he's a Doge for now. So this is a Doge. The Doges are on the enemy team. They're the first variation of Doge is this one, of course. So yeah, there's Doge. Here we have all of the people. I'm just gonna call them trolley vloggers. The other ones I call them princesses because there are like way too many. So here's one trolley vlogger. Two trolley vlogger. Oh, and by the way, trolley vloggers on the enemy team, and they are they're the fourth form. Our trolley vlogger. Then here's another trolley vlogger. Then here's a princess. Here is a black Doja. Here's a, what's it called? Oh yeah, it's a Shibalian. Here's a dinosaur cat. A giant dragon cat. Teacher Bun Bun. Yeah, for now on, actually I'm changing it, just saying their names. There's the Rhino. No, that's not his name. I forgot his name. Oh, One Horn. That's actually Metal One Horn. There's Metal One Horn. Or no. One Metal Horn, yeah. Then we got a Dragon Cat. A Ducha. Lizard Cat. Devil Cat. Zombie Cat. Wolf Cat. Or not Wolf Cat, Urine Wolf. That's what it's called. Another Dino Cat. Mole. Hippo. Lizard Cat. Mole. Hermit Crabbe. Princess. Lizard Cat. Cat. Princess. I'm gonna say chick. Snatcha. Bird cat. Teacher bear. I think, yeah, another Doge. BB Bunny, which is actually secretly me. Alaskan bear. Giraffe Cat, aka G Giraffe Cat. That's what I'm gonna be calling them. Another G Giraffe Cat. Dino Cat. G Giraffe Cat again. Nope. Beware, or no, Unassassin Bear. Dino Cat. Celaboodle. Teacher Bear. Ninja Frog. Ninja Frog. Lizard Cat. Crazed Macho Cat. Ninja Frog. Pea Shooter. Or not Pea Shooter, Gross Cat. G Giraffe Cat. Snache. Black Doja, or no, Doja Dark Black. This guy again, who I do not know the name of. Unassassin Bear. Alaskan Bear. I always make up a funny voice when I say that. Chick. Teacher Bear. Fish Cat. Actually, never mind. Here he is. Big Doja. Well, actually, his name is Huge Doja. Here's the Jackie Pang. Fish Cat. Fish Cat. Fish Cat. Unassassin Bear. Snache. Snache. Waldoge. Chick. Teacher Bear. This guy again, I keep forgetting his name. Teacher Bear. Teacher Bear. Who's that one guy? He's my favorite. I really want to show him to the camera. Oh, here he is. Not Unassassin Bear. Assassin Bear. Yeah, he can actually go through the enemies that have a lot of health. He'll go straight through them like they're invisible. Teacher Bear. Teacher Bear. Unassassin Bear. Yeah, Unassassin Bear has bloody hands, and Assassin Bear is just plain black. What's it called? Angel Slimper. Gory. 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 Angel Slimper. Jackie Pang. Assassin Bear. What's it called? Shibalian. What's his name? Gory. So comfortable in this pile. Gory. Gory. Why do I have so many Gories? Wallcat. Omniyogi Cat. Snache. Gory. Croco. Squire Rel. What's his name? Oh yeah, Trolley Vlogger. Dino Cat. What's his name? Oh yeah, Teacher Bear. Not Popsicle Cat. Tank Cat. Cow Cat. The Sloth. Unassassin Bear. Hawk. Wow, it's already 10 minutes. What's his name? For now, I'm just gonna call him, I forgot his name, actually. Lee Boyne. Hawk. Ninja Frog. Yeah, the cats have the normal names, and then the enemies have, like, such weird names. Trolley Vlogger. Pumpkin Cat. Ba ba. Zombie Cat. Zombie Cat. Bird Cat. Moose. Or not Moose. Yes, Moose. Bird Cat. Pig. Wow, there's so much stuff. Dragon Cat. I had to like dig because some of these are buried under them. Because there's so many that they literally bury the other ones. Celeboodle, Duche, an Assassin Bear, Legendary. That's a limited edition. I made him up. Ham and Cheese. Where's the other Ham and Cheese? Crazed Cat. Snache. Oh well. I'm pretty sure. Oh, here's the other Ham and Cheese. Ham and Cheese. I'm almost done, I'm pretty sure. I think I'm actually done. Oh, can't miss this one. Bunker. Gory. And use my spotlight over him. I really wish it was. Where's Dober PD? I missed him. Dober PD, aka Mr. Boss, the hardest thing to fight. Here are my two Randies. Where's the... I know there are two of these that I have, and I'm missing. And for some reason, I missed the Randy. And lots of other stuff. I got, Lizard Cat, Fish Cat, Gory. This is never ending. Oh, here's Dober PD. I flinged him all the way back here. There's Dober PD. And that is it for this episode. If we come out with more, I will tell you. And goodbye from Mr. BB Bunny, aka Camera Guy.